Hey everybody, it's Sherry. I just wanted to share with you, Scrap the World does these ISSA links every month, and this month her thing was goodie bags. So I made some goodie bags, and the thing is you're supposed to make them and have 3 embellishments on them. So I did that, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I made them out of this Colorblock marble cardstock carton, 12 by 12 cardstock. This is what it is. This is what it looks like. Oops, sorry guys. Let me see here. If I can get it in there without being upside down. There we go. So this is what I used. And then I used some iridescent ribbon, and I used some of my die cuts. I cut out some dies and made them look pretty cute, I think. We'll start with this one. There's more than 3 here, but that's what I chose to do. Anyway, I cut the coffee cup out, and then I put the coffee cup in here because they're supposed to have a window. So, and I thought it was really pretty. And then I put some balloons and some iridescent ribbon, made a bow, and that's the first one. The second one is I used a different die cut for the window. There's just a little window in there. Then I made a little tag to go on there out of what I used for the window, what cut out the window. And then again, I used some more die cuts, made some different kinds of balloons, some of the hearts and regular balloons and stuff, put them all together, put 3 different ribbons on here, and put a pearl in the middle of that one. And then the other 2 that I did, oops, sorry everybody. The other 2 that I did are just like the first one, just with the balloons and the die cut in the middle. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. Scrap the World's ISSA Link Party number 5. I hope you enjoy what I made, and please comment, subscribe, and share. If you like it, hit like. Okay, thank you. We'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.